Hey guys, I'm starting on a new trail now. This is the beginning of it. I've cut this last year, and I got my mini excavator in the woods now. Cutting through some rhododendron. It's pretty slow going, but I'm making progress. I'll take a look at that in a second. This was really slow going, even with the Mini X. It's just, as you can tell, this rhododendron is probably about 12 to 16 feet tall. And so when you cut through here, there's nowhere to swing your boom. There's nowhere to put the rhododendron that you cut down. So like in some places like this, I had to create like a hole just to have a place to throw the dirt and rhododendron that I cut. This is what I cut the other day. I hadn't like smoothed it out yet, hadn't done any finishing work. This is just a rough cut. This was a place where I was going to go up the hill, but it got to be too difficult. There was just too much stuff to cut down, so I decided to go down, and it's going a lot easier now. This big old rhododendron clump right here, I tried digging it out and I just gave up. It's just too big. And this is as far as I got so far. This is where I'm going through. This is a little trail that I cleared by hand with a saw and some pruners. So it's kind of, and you can see I have flags up. Marked it, and then I tracked it on some mapping sites like Gaia maps, and then I used Strava to hike the trail and have it track me, and then I could see on the map what the trail looked like and check the distance and the different elevations. got a little bit done. It's pretty rough, but I'm gonna go back and clean this up. I got way too much slope on it. Instead of a 3 degrees out slope, I probably got like 5 to 10%. So I have to do a lot more cutting, and then I'll grade it out and make it smooth. But that's a good rough cut. And this is where I'm headed. So I got stuff to cut down. I still got a lot of rhododendrons to get out of the way. You see my flag line there. I can hardly even walk in here. So what I'm gonna do is right here, this is gonna be a switchback. And so it goes to the right and goes up this way. However, this is pretty steep, so I might wanna redesign this. Thinking about coming around this way and making my turn here. That way it's a more gradual climb. I have to go right through this mess. And then I can connect up to where I was gonna go. Okay, so I guess that's it for today. I'm gonna go get some lunch and then probably come back in the afternoon. So I'll maybe film a little more later.